Hello everyone, my name is Farzan Ashraf. Currently I'm pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from GIT University, and this is the task 3 of my internship under the Spark Foundation, where I've been assigned the post of Data and Business Analyst. So here we go. So in this task we have been assigned a post of a business manager of a supermarket uh, or a shop, where we have to analyze the weak point of the business and also the faults in our business, or basically our main motive is to increase our profit and sale. So here we go. Here I have written all the contact details of mine and the objective, that is the perform exploratory data analysis, find out the business problem and identify the key areas of improving profit. That I think these three things are only the basic aim of every business. At the starting, I've imported all the necessary modules and the dataset. As you can see out here, the basic view of the dataset, the first 5 rows. Let's analyze the dataset using .info and .describe method. As I said in every of the tasks, that this method is very helpful. This says that the average sale, the average quantity, discount average, the profit average, and so on. Then this correlation states the relation between different column in our data set. Then I found out the missing value, because sometimes it's necessary to see that whether there is any missing value in our data frame so that we can make the necessary changes, but there is no missing values as I mentioned. And sometimes there may be duplicate rows in our data frame, and it may cause problem later on. So I have checked it out here, that is there any duplicate data frame. But as you can see that initial save minus final save 0, that is there is no duplicate rows. So we can move on. Then I explore data using data visualization. As you can see, the total sale in US is at 9, profit is this. So I found out here the top 10 states by sales and profit in US, and these are the list of that. I mentioned it below properly, you can see it. This is a histogram showing the top 10 states by sale. At first we have California and New York, and for profit too we have the same, that is California and New York in the first. Then using Seaborn, I have used 3 variables from the data frame, that is sales, profit and discount, where discount shows the intensity of color. It's shown here, discount is used as a scale out here. Then I've made a pair plot to find the relationship between the columns. So from the above pair plot, I've analyzed that there is a positive relation between sales and profit, and there is also some relation between discount and profit. So I've analyzed it more properly below using heat map and other correlation method. And this is a heat map. Which show correlation between different columns. This is just a virtual representation of this data, that is dot correlation method. From this we have analyzed that sales and profit are positively correlated, while discount and profit are negatively correlated. So I have taken two cases when discount is 0 and when discount is not 0, and I made a correlation table and a histogram and a heat map for both the cases. Then this is a regression plot between sales and profit. As you can see that as the sale increases, the profit also increases. Written out here. Then this is the case 2, as I mentioned earlier. From this we have analyzed as in this graph that as the discount increases, the sale also increases, but as the discount price increases, so there is less profit in that. And we have checked how it affects the business. So this is a heat map and a correlation showing diagram data. So we can see that discount and profit are not positively correlated from here. See, profit and discount. As we can see, it's negatively correlated. So as the discount increases, the profit decreases, we conclude here. From this graph we can see the profit. Here we can see that the highest profit is in copies and the lowest profit is in machine. It's in negative. And this is a graph which shows the sales. It shows that the highest sales is of copiers, and at second there is machine. But even though as the second in the highest sale, machine is the most lost product in our data frame. This shows the discount amount as given in our data frame, and we can see that in machines we have given the second most highest discount after vendors. So we have here I made a distribution plot. You can see it out here. I request you to see the code in my GitHub repository, as speaking everything line by line would make the video too long. So at last I've concluded all the conclusion of mine and how to increase the profit and how to work on the weak session of the business from here. Thank you.